Unsafe, uninhabitable, some of the words tenants use to describe some of the units at Johnson Lakes Apartments in Ferry Pass. And they're now suing the building's owner. They claim repairs have not been done following damage from Hurricane Sally almost 5 years ago.
WEAR's Samantha Serpin is there from the Escambia County's Environmental Code Enforcement Office. And Samantha, a judge issued a court order in December 2023 that's related to this case.
Right, Sue. Bob, 16 months later, and the building is still accruing nearly $1,000 a day in fines because of open environmental code cases. Now, an attorney representing 5 different tenants says they don't want more money, they just want the place fixed up.
We're not asking for stars and moons.
All John Mays' clients want is a safe and healthy place to live. An attorney with Legal Services of North Florida, Hayes represents 5 people who either currently live or have lived at Johnson Lakes.
Since 2023, we've had 15 code enforcement cases on the property. Could be anything from not taking care of the pool, not taking care of the grounds, to interior units where there's problems with wiring, problems with plumbing.
The biggest issue?
There's a fair number of those residents that don't have heat or air conditioning.
In a lawsuit filed last week, tenants are asking for 9 things from the owners, including all necessary repairs, assistance in finding alternative housing, and ceasing threats. They also mention not notifying collection agencies unless they have a court order and not renting to new tenants until all problems are fixed. The lawsuit filed against Landmark Property Management Company alleges as of November 2023, 60 of the 160 units didn't have AC, a problem costing the company $750 a day. Mays says that complicates an issue with mold that they haven't been allowed to test yet.
You have mold growing, and then you have units that are not being properly cooled. So that increases, naturally that'll increase mold. And then you have other units that do have central heating and air that are pumping this molded air of what quantity we still don't know throughout the entire complex.
According to the lawsuit, Mays tried to hire a mold inspector to come onto the property. An email from the owner's attorney said anyone who came on site would be arrested and trespassed. Reached out to the lawyer representing Johnson Lakes, who says his clients have no comment.
Our housing situation in Pensacola is not fantastic. And so these people are really stuck and somewhat hopeless and helpless because a lot of ours are on housing assistance. A lot of people that reside there, they're 55 plus, they're on fixed incomes. There's a number of reasons that prevent them from easily being able to move. That said, you know, they do want to stay there. They like the complex, and it just needs to be in a livable state.
So what's next? Mays says there'll be a hearing to present evidence and go over testimony, but right now the court hasn't set a date for that yet. Live in downtown Pensacola, Samantha Serpin, WEAR News.